The members of all Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association, along with teachers from different parts of Garo Hills, had organised a sit-in demonstration in Dekachang Playground in Resubalpara, North Garo Hills District. The association stated that they had submitted a memorandum to the Honourable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma during the General Conference held in Asanang regarding certain demands, but till present the government has not given any response. Speaking to the media, one of the advisors of the association stated that if the government continues to ignore their demands, they will have no other choice but to go ahead with other agitations.
Meghalaya gemutni, tingni sekolah ko upgrade kami gemen, harus sorkari ni kura cakani rangko susu kacani gemen, sehingga ya agitation ko watinga, mana Jensalo agar gini cicet bersio cuma nakpa sini all Meghalaya ni teacher association ni asa nango cuma conference ko wataha aruwa conference ko sini Honourable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma kon cuma invite ka aruwa sumayo de biya angni sumayon angan asimangni niknekanirang ko amma dapat kematna aru langsung ko tentang dak kepala gadang rangona radu pada kam kagen josun kagen memang dia kura cakacem. Anda kepak kura cakani ketan hazal geni cisku bersini Februari jaun cengni etok UP sekolahko ge cacet sot pribadi donga warangko defisit ni gadang ona radu gen memang cengni particular rangko submit kanaba Director label ni kita cengko kamaha. Unon cenga cengni ge chat shot previous kulangan particular rangko teacher rang ni particular rangko cenga onjok. Daw nani zaman ora daw batai gadangsa nasong daw existing teacher rangko san mention kaibo nemang cengko aru revise kataya. Daw unuba cenga existing teacher rangko hari mengbani submit ka. Uni zaman node ya namdabatna raduna maksungani ba mamun ko ba kam kaja uni geman singa changni chang chief minister ko ba grunga director labor rangni minister ko ya education ni commissioner secretary ko ba grunga unuba yan dakka ba kamrang ko susuk katjani geman riang pa hazal geni progresa bersini Desember cicet hari ko ba singa Shillong lat nongkem wa biapo anda kapa asong emang darda ko dakke mang cingni nekne kanirang ko sorkari na biataha unuba mamung taktuan ni rangko takjani gemen mamung improvement rangko ba develop niko cingna misoka dongtai jani gemen cenga mija